We're all packed up.
I'm ready to go. I'm going to Victoria, baby. So my family decided to go to Victoria, BC for the weekend, which is really fun. We have friends there. We're chilling. Our ferry leaves at about like 11 o'clock or 11:30 in my time. So this is going to be a 4 video long series. There's going to be the boat ride there and the boat ride back, and 2 days in between that, so 4 videos. Stay tuned for them on the AV8 channel. Anyways, I'll tell you when we get in the car and when we start leaving for the terminal. Alright, so we're just about to leave, like 10 minutes till we leave and get in the car. I'm going to just chill here until then. Let's go. So we are at the terminal. I could not record all of the car drive because we were playing copyright music. It's okay, we're vibing, we're chilling. Yeah, we're gonna go like get some drinks. Yeah, I'm down. So we got back right when the guy said that we had to get to our cars. So we're gonna board soon, and yeah, see you when we get on the boat. We're boarding onto the boat. Heck yeah. Ha. I'll see you upstairs. I'm on. I have no idea why my parents wanted to sit outside where it's windy and cold, but I guess I'm doing it. Whatever. We're just about to leave. We're moving.
Look, we're moving, everybody. Let's freaking go. I'm ready, I'm excited. Stuff. And we have left checkpoint 1. Now we have to go all the way over there to checkpoint 2.
We've been going for like, I don't know, like 10 minutes now. It's cold, it's windy, I don't like it. We're just gonna go inside and get to the gift shop.
What is that? What is?
There was not anything too cool in the gift shop. I'm hungry. Remember when I said I was hungry? I have a snack now. Alright, to make a long story short, we finished eating and there was an announcement that we can go back to our cars and we will be disembarked in like 10 minutes or so, yeah. And we are in Victoria, BC. This place is awesome. We're almost where we need to stay. It's all good. We're chilling. This is going to be a 4 video long series, so subscribe, like the video. That'll be it for me. Psych, I lied. We got to the place where we need to stay, but I figured out my family was gonna go on a walk to someplace, so I'm just gonna vlog that. First of all, do you see those deer? I'll zoom in on that, but do you see those? Yeah. That's sick. They are eating leaves off the tree. It's Santa's reindeer. Heck yeah. Yo, there's another one. I don't know why, but I feel lucky or something though.
Yeah, their families are all fuzzy.
Yeah.
That's how.
Apparently these guys are young.
That was sick. Full 30 seconds of content.
We got a park. There is a park.
That
Does not look promising. This is cool. Cool. This is awesome. Become one with the duck. Ew. I am on this cool bridge overlooking water. Apparently this bridge was a medieval bridge that was constructed in 1889. Fat chance. JK. I think this is poo.
What are you doing?
This is called a sundial. Look at this garden, bro. There are some goats here.
they're goated, just like me. So we just did a couple of cool things. We might go get a snack, because it's been a long day. We're chilling. It's 4 o'clock, so yeah.
We got pizza too, baby.
We finished. There was this one guy, one of the waiters. He had the exact same name as me, and he was the nicest guy ever. Shout out to him, man.